does not equal 1, just has a couple of extra steps. We always start out with the same process, putting in our two spaces. So we rewrite 2x squared minus 16x. Here's our two spaces, and then plus 34. So the 2 in front of our x squared, we actually want to factor that number out of our first two terms. So we're only going to factor out the number. So we factor out a 2, and we're left with x squared minus 8x. Here's our space. This is where we're going to create that trinomial we can factor. Our other space, and then plus 34. So now we do our b over 2. Our b value is now a negative 8 though when we do this. So b over 2, we get a negative 8 divided by 2, which gives us negative 4. We're going to square that. Negative 4 squared is a positive 16. So a positive 16 goes in our first spot. And now we have to counterbalance. We just added something to our problem. To counterbalance this though, here's the difference. When we put in a 16, technically we are putting in a 2 times 16 because of that 2 we factored out. And 2 times 16 really is 32, so we want to counterbalance a positive 32 with a negative 32. And then we can put this all together. We have our 2 on the outside. The x squared minus 8x plus 16 is going to factor into x minus 4 squared. And again, our b over 2 value, this negative 4, always goes in that spot. And then for our last number, we will just say what is negative 32 plus 34, and we have plus 2. So here is our final answer for completing the square with a value not equal to 1.